Over the past 5 years, mass deforestation has continued unabated in several hill districts of Manipur. Even public can access the pattern through Google satellite image, where illegal poppy cultivation is carried out and establishment of new villages. However, it is questionable if the government is remaining silent despite mass deforestation in hill areas. SKTV brings you a special report on this.
Among Manipur's hill districts, Kangpokpi now records the highest rate of deforestation over the past 5 years. This alarming trend is clearly visible in satellite imagery, where large-scale forest loss spans multiple parts of the district. Areas that were covered in dense vegetations as recently as 2022 now appear barren or severely degraded, revealing the speed and scale at which forests are being cleared. Deforestation continues unabated across several hill districts of Manipur, including Churachandpur, Chandel, Tengnopal, and Farjol. Over the past 5 years, large stretches of dense forests have reportedly been cleared in multiple locations, raising serious concerns about unchecked activities by individuals or groups involved in forest cutting. Since the outbreak of ethnic conflict in 2023, the pace of deforestation in these hill areas is said to have increased significantly. At the same time, reports of the establishment of 3 new villages in Sajik Tampak under Chandel district have further fueled suspicions of shifting land use patterns and unregulated expansion into sensitive forest region. Despite government notifications aimed at curbing deforestation, large-scale forest clearing continues across several hill districts of Manipur. These ongoing incidents highlight concerns over limited governance and enforcement in remote areas. Experts warn that without strict monitoring to curb illegal poppy cultivation and prevent the establishment of new settlements driving forest clearance, efforts to address drug-related issues and illegal influx will remain a significant challenge. This is Ketramayum Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.